Can make something out of nothing. Hi, I'm Angel. Thanks for stopping by. Just wanted to remind you that both for better and for worse, air quotes there, it's all made up. And often we make mountains out of molehills, as they like to say. Sometimes we make things up and think that things are some big deal when they're really not a big deal. Maybe it's just completely fabricated in your mind or our minds, or maybe we're just not acknowledging the abundant opportunities for solution, the infinite solutions available for any problem, basically. So any problem is really just an opportunity, and often we blow the problem aspect of those out of proportion. And on the flip side, you can make something out of nothing. If you ain't got nothing but you need something, you can make it. In fact, everything that exists has been made up out of nothing, or whatever that something is that the universe is, the energy, the vibration, the intention, the attraction and repulsion factors that lead to things turning into things, thoughts becoming things, and ideas becoming things. Those all the great things and the little things, all things great and small, bright and beautiful, big and tall, short and squat, all the things are things made from nothing. So if you want something and you're not sure how to manifest it, don't let the fact that you don't think it exists or that it doesn't exist yet keep you from creating it, whether it's a relationship or a home or a job or a state of being in yourself or a new world, which is what I'm working on. All of it we can make it out of nothing. So that's what I wanted to remind you of right now, is that you can make something out of nothing, both to your benefit and to your detriment. So make sure you're doing it to your benefit and not to your detriment, yeah? That's my 2 cents for right now. Till next time, peace, prosperity, positivity, potential, and playfulness.